Nature Cat, Squeaks, Daisy, and Hal are cartoon characters and not real animals. To keep all of our animal friends safe, check with a grown-up before you bring a pet on your next nature adventure. Ha-ha!
It's Nature Prize Surprise.
Hello, neighborhood pets! Today's contestants on Nature Prize Surprise are Gracie the Toad and Mr. Frog. Ready, amphibians? Now name a creature that hatches from an egg.
A spotted salamander.
Correct, Amundo! Spotted salamanders do hatch from eggs. I'm surprised you didn't say toads or frogs, but congratulations, Gracie! Today's Nature Prize Surprise is a trampoline!
Shall we, Mr. Frog?
Why not?
What a happy ending, huh? See you next time on
Nature Prize Surprise.
That long car ride could be a lot more fun with PBS Kids podcasts.
Ooh! Pink, amazing! Okay, let's do this.
Listen to your favorite podcasts free on the PBS Kids video app.
On PBS Kids, check out Superwise Comic Book Adventures.
Hello, Super Eaters.
And join the girl with a pencil and a plan, Power Page.
Power pencil, activate.
Power Page is on the case, rewriting wrongs, making sense of vowels,
A makes the ah sounds.
and helping Superwise protect Raider Valley.
Oh, foiled again!
It's Power Page from Superwise Comic Book Adventures, streaming free on PBS Kids.
Funding for Nature Cat has been provided in part by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Donna Van Ekron Foundation, these generous donors, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Your favorite PBS Kids shows are streaming now. And now there are more episodes. More Daniel, more Wildcrats, more Alma. Seriously, there's a lot more. Watch them now, streaming free on PBS Kids. Did I mention there's more?
Time travel tip number 6.
The cake is done.
Wait, no. Use time travel like a do-over. Check out Tiny Time Travel, streaming now on PBS Kids.
PBS Kids is heading north with Molly of Denali. Yay! Her Alaskan village is far away, but far from boring. Whoa! Just ask her dad.
It's on me! It's on me!
Day or night, Molly's on board, paddleboard, to explore every part of her amazing land. And finally, learn the great Granny Handshake in the great outdoors. Molly of Denali. Watch now on PBS Kids.
Presenting Arthur on PBS Kids.
Starring Arthur Reed and Buster Baxter as Buster.
Plus a cast of Elwood City's finest third graders. Watch thrilling adventures of Arthur now on PBS Kids.
Molly of Denali is made possible in part by the W.K. Kellogg Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, the GBH Kids Catalyst Fund, and by viewers like you. Thank you, Masi Cho. Hey everyone, it's me, Molly.
Molly of Denali.